Here we have a 2014 Ford Focus SFE model, one owner, previous government fleet vehicle, well maintained, clean body, black in color. These cars are well known to get almost 40 miles per gallon on the highway, sometimes exceeding that. 40,000 miles on this one. Flex fuel compatible. Rear spoiler. Nice clean car. 40,000 miles, like I said. Has remaining factory warranty on it right through Ford. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Clean gray cloth interior, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, automatic headlights, steering wheel stereo controls, driver information center. Got the sync, hands-free Bluetooth for audio streaming as well as phone calls. Automatic transmission, heat and air conditioning. Side impact, side curtain airbags in the back. Back seats fold down. New access to the trunk. Nice large trunk. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open until 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.